Welcome back to my channel, my dear lovely viewers. I'll be showing you how to go about checking your Evmos domain airdrop. How to check your eligibility. Just make sure you have a Cosmos Station app, which is this. This is Cosmos Station app. Just once you come to Cosmos Station app, just like this, first thing you do, go to Dapps. As you can see down here, this is the fourth option here. Just click on Dapps and look for drop station. Sorry, this is drop station. This option, just click on drop station. Once you click on drop station, click on Evmos domain. That's what we're using. Click on Evmos domain. You click connect wallet. Yes, okay, connect. After that, you click on check eligibility. You can see for mine, I only qualify for 4 because I didn't really run the Evmos domain name, so it's just my Evmos stake that got me this. So after this, I will suggest you make sure you disconnect your wallet. After checking, go back, disconnect, click on settings option, and click on manage connection, then click on the cancel button on drop station Cosmos Station, dapps.cosmosstation.io, and click confirm. So after clicking confirm, you can see that the wallet is now disconnected. So that's all you need to do. Please, if this is your first time of watching my video, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to like and share the video with your friends and family so that they can also check for theirs if they happen to be to have Evmos domain name or have Evmos staked. So thank you very much, guys. See you in my next video.